Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another Boxycharm Premium unboxing for you for the month of December. I'll link everything underneath if you want more information on it. Also where you can subscribe to Boxycharm if you're interested. There's the base box, there's Boxy Luxe, and there's also Boxycharm Premium. So all the prices and more information you can find on their website, I'll put it underneath. And please let me know underneath, are you guys subscribed to Boxycharm Premium and have you liked it so far? Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and we'll just get into the video. This is what the box looks like. It's huge, as Boxycharm Premium always is. The card is Bubbles and Glitz, and I got Variation 1. So that's what it looks like here. So the first thing that I see is this True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to be retailing for $46. This Anytime Anywhere Summer Essential Palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color. Wear each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. Colors look like here. So they're quite beautiful colors. There's a lot of deeper tones too. I don't know if I'll keep this yet or if I'll give it away. I just have so many highlighters and bronzers right now that I'm using up. But this is also vegan and cruelty free. Next thing I got is this. It's a cuticle oil that retails for $22. It says the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural cuticle oil. This natural healing cuticle oil is made with pure almond oil and jojoba oil to soften and nourish cuticles. It also has lavender oil to help strengthen nails and cuticle. So it's another cuticle oil. I've gotten I think 3 cuticle oils or so in Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure that I put my settings to not receive them, so I'm not that happy about this. I just never find myself using cuticle oil. I'm not sure. My cuticles are pretty healthy as they are. This palette by VizArt, it's a neutral mattes palette. It's $80. Says it's the all-time best-selling palette. This iconic, coveted professional eyeshadow palette can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, brows, and contours of the face. This is super expensive for what it retails for. It retails for $80, and I've never heard of this brand, but this is what the shadows look like. They're all mattes, and this was the option that I chose. You only get to pick between this and a different palette with more intense colors, so I just picked the neutral. I, again, don't know if I'll keep this, but I probably should, just with it being such a high value, and just test it out and let you guys know if it's actually worth the money. That was the option that I chose. The next thing is the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. Retails for $20. This volumizing mascara, this is the volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lasting max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. So that sounds perfect for me because I have, as you guys know, I have eyes that are really kind of large and watery, so a lot of mascaras run on me. My favorite one that I've found is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara that stays the longest. So I'll have to try this and let you guys know. The next thing I'm super excited about is this Elemis product. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Revive Mask. It retails for $82. The future of eye care is here. Featuring an innovative cloud light gel formula, the serum infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eye. So I'm definitely super excited about this product. I have dark circles for sure, and I definitely think I should start using an eye cream. I'm noticing just like fine lines around my eyes. And I love this Elemis Pro Collagen Moisturizer. I've done a video on it. I loved it. So I'm super happy about that. And this retails for $34.95. I'll just take the brushes out so you guys can see. So this is what they look like. So just basic brushes. They don't look like anything special. I'll just give these away as well just because I have so many brushes. Everything that I received in my December Boxycharm Premium, I'm actually really disappointed, to be honest. The only thing that I loved is the eyeshadow, or sorry, the only thing that I can see myself using is these 3 items. This neutral eyeshadow, which I already have so many neutral eyeshadows, mascara, I love, and the eye mask from Elemis. The rest of the items I think I'll just put in a giveaway box for a future giveaway, or just give it away to friends and family because I don't see myself needing all these items. I have a lot of like duplicates of this stuff, and I just found this month was kind of disappointing. I don't know any of the brands except for Elemis. Not to say that they're not good, but I just like when you get like hyped up new products in your box. So it wasn't my favorite box, and I've actually considered if I should unsubscribe to Boxycharm Premium. Let me know underneath if you guys want me to keep this subscription or not, and let me know how you liked your boxes. I hope next month is better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I also have a playlist with much more Boxycharm unboxing videos. Thank you so much, guys. Love you guys. Bye.